Hello, Mzansi. Welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Iyatrenda esencane lengane laphana lidlala kuMoja Love ngemva kokuthi bantu banothise ukuthi siyaqela akashintshi usolo sasengile siyaqela alibe smart season 1 lotselelako alungahloniphi ngisho namakwathanduke sana. People are saying ukuthi kunini Nkosi yami sithi ayivale le show, kunini ukuthi ayivalwe isencane le ngane, because clearly ayifundzisi into lenhle, ifundisa abantu ukuthi amadoda uzaqhaphade abantu besifazane baba-treat like ama-toys. So people have been saying ukuthi ayivalwe isencane lengane, and I'm even shocked ukuthi isencane lengane isadlala. Because why? And people are saying ukuthi they hate labantu laba-treat-a uSiyaxela as a celebrity, mabambona bamtatatelela or bamgijimele bafuna ukuthatha ama-pictures naye, because what the hell, nifunzani kuSiyaxela? Yini le niyifunzako? Uli-celebrity ngakuphi ngani? So people are saying ukuthi bathiniwe nje nakhuluma into leyi-one kusho ukuthi iMoja Love ayivalele ya show, because it seems like ayikho njena into le bantu labatoyifunza laphana, because ayifundzisi mkhuba lomuhle. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.